Hello everyone, if you're new here, I'm Chandrika, and if you're my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today we are going to do a fun challenge. Yes, a makeup challenge which is full face using only hands. That means no brushes makeup challenge, and I'm going to create my full face of makeup using only my hands. Yes, I'm so excited, and if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I'm applying this Tava Glabberry Rose Water. Yes, it's a toner. I'm taking it on my hands and just patting it all over my face and neck. All the product links are the description. You can check it. So yeah, the next process is moisturizer. I'm applying this Nivea cream, just dotting it all over my face and neck and then spreading it all over my face. The skincare process is very simple in this challenge because I prefer my hands to apply all the skincare products. Next, I'm taking this Blue Heaven primer and taking some amount, just this much, and applying it on my T-zone where I have more number of open pores, then spreading it all over my face and neck. Then the most dangerous part, applying foundation. I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230, and I'm not taking more product because you're using your hands to blend, right? So take less product and just dab it all over your face and neck. Don't drag it, because if you drag your foundation it become cakey. So gently dab it all over your face. So yeah, I'm not satisfied with the coverage. I'm applying it again. So you can build it up, but don't take more amount. It's very difficult to blend foundation using my hands because I never blend my foundation with my hands. I use foundation brush, or I sometimes use beauty blender, but hands, no, I never use my hands. Maybe I used my hands when I apply CC cream. I think that is 2 to 3 years back, but yeah, I never use hands to blend my foundation, so it's very difficult. Look at my hands, I have more product on my hands. Next, I'm taking this Kiss Beauty concealer to conceal all my dark spots. So I prefer using my fingers to blend this concealer because it is really very blendable concealer. It's another easy part for me. So that's why I choose this foundation. Sorry, that's why I choose this concealer, because if you choose liquid concealers it may be difficult. So cream concealers you can blend it with your fingers. Next, no way, compact. I never use my hands to apply compact powder. Yeah, this is the first time. I think this is the first time in my life I'm using my fingers to blend compact powder. Okay, I think it's difficult, but no, it's not that difficult. I can blend all the compact powder. Can you see that? Yeah, I can use my fingers to blend all the compact powder. Next, I'm taking this Swiss Beauty Pro blusher and highlighter, and it has a bronzer or contour shade in it, and I'm taking that shade and contouring my cheeks and contouring my jawline. I love this part because the contour came out so well. Can you see the difference between the two cheeks? Next, I'm applying it to my another jawline, and yeah, for another cheek and nose. Yes, I use my fingers to contour my nose because it's easy to use your fingers to while contouring your nose. And then forehead. Yes, then I'm applying this shade as a blush. No, it's a blush. It's a blush shade. So yeah, just dotting it on, just I'm dotting it on my cheeks, then I'm joining all the dots and I'm spreading it all over my cheek. Next, I'm taking this highlighter shade and I'm applying the highlighter, and then on my nose, on my forehead, and cupid's bow and my chin. Yes, and highlighter part is also very easy. And yes, this challenge is really helpful if you don't have brushes. I'm using some tape to get that sharp edge, and then I'm using this Maybelline Kajal. Just I draw a liner and then I'm smudging it using my pinky finger. Yes, and then I'm taking this black shade from Swiss Beauty Ultimate palette and just blending it like this to set that kajal. Next I'm taking the shade which matches my dress, that I think it's a pinkish kind of shade, and smudging it on the top of my kajal. So next I'm taking this sketch eyeliner because I cannot use gel eyeliner or a liquid liners because they have brush, right? So I'm using this sketch eyeliner, and yeah, I'm trying to draw a small wing. This challenge is really helpful for beginners who don't have all the brushes and all. So yep, and then I'm highlighting my inner corners and my brow bone. I forgot about my eyebrows. Yes, I use my kajal to define my eyebrows just like this because I have very thick eyebrows, so that's why I'm using Maybelline kajal here. But if you have thin eyebrows, you can use eyebrow pencils or something like that. Next, I'm applying some false eyelashes. I haven't applied mascara because it has a brush. So next, I'm smudging the pink shade under my lower waterline. Next I'm taking this white kajal. If you want you can take black kajal, but I love white kajals. They open up your eyes and your eyes look so big. Yep, I'm hungry, that's why I'm eating. Next I'm taking this lip shade. Yes, this is a pretty lip shade, and this is my current favorite lipstick set, and I've made a complete video about this, like about all the lipsticks, and I've shown all the swatches and all. The link is in iCards and description, you can check it. They are so pretty matte non-transfer lipsticks. I love this, and look at that shade, it really matches my makeup look, and it changed completely, like it changed my look, right? So yes, next I'm setting my hair. I just straightened my hair. Some of you are asking about my hair, so I've made a detailed video about how I straighten my hair, and the link is in iCards and description, check it out. Okay, you know what, I thought I completed my whole makeup, but I forgot to define my second eyebrow. So yeah, I'm highlighting it and I forgot defining it. Yep, that's it. Look at it. I love this look. Wow, it's so pretty. So yeah, this is how I created this makeup look. It came out so well. I love this look. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on your thoughts and suggestions, I would love to answer them. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.